Yeah. So when I was walking home from the housing court, I'm walking down. I'm walking down the street. I'm almost near the intersection. There's a little school, and there's a park across the street. But there's this church. Like when you're walking down, like going back towards the north, like the church is on the right hand side. It's a wall and then some steps, but there's a little grass area. So I seen a whole bunch of birds out there. I had to look up the breed of the bird. It's called a house sparrow. It's like a little small brown bird. So I assume it was the mother because the males have a different color to them. But a little small bird. So it's feeding its chick. I'm walking up. Mother sees me and takes off. And it just leaves the chick there. And I'm looking down at the chick, and the chick's looking up at me. I'm just thinking to myself, like, I'm not gonna hurt you. Just going about my business. But I'm looking down and I'm looking at this little baby bird's eyes, and it's just like, yo, this dude about to hurt me. And all I could think is, the mother just abandoned you and just flew off. I'm thinking the chick was just gonna fly off too. I don't even think it could fly yet. I'm just looking at the little baby and I'm like, damn, that's kind of like me. My situation, I was abandoned and was left with a sick individual, like mentally sick individual to raise me. So it's like my mom abandoned me. And left me with a sick, crazy person. Like I saw that, and it's just weird how nature sometimes will make you think about your own life. Cause it's like the mother bird really just flew off, seen me, cause it had food in its mouth, and it was feeding the chick, and I'm walking up, and it just sees me, just flies off, and just leave the chick. That's messed up, man. That's messed up. And sometimes I think, like, have any of my baby mothers done that to my actual kids, my actual baby mothers? Have they done a certain, have they did anything similar like that to my own kids? And even the imposters, the ones that scream up and down that I'm their baby mother. Have they even done that to those kids? It's crazy how just looking at a baby animal, it makes, not saying that like my kids and those kids and any other kid that I'm about to speak about, that they're animals. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying it's nature. Animals are in nature, and it's wild. Like, you look at nature, and it just makes you think about your own kids. Think about my god kids too. Think about all the kids, you know what I'm saying, that surround me, like, for years. One thing I always try to do, it could be my little cousins, it could be my god kids, it could be, you know what I'm saying, my people's day kids. It doesn't matter. One thing about me, anybody kids around me, nieces, nephews, little cousins, god kids, people's kids. When kids are around me, class is in session. Can't nobody say that I ain't never nurture their kids or teach their kids. Most of the older kids that I was, you know what I'm saying, that, well, not older, but, you know what I'm saying, the kids that I was around that got older and stuff, came up, you know what I'm saying, I taught them some type of survival skills, man. We in the hood. We don't raise no weak kids in the hood. But that situation earlier, man, that just really tripped me out, man. This is the bird. Hold on. The brown one. So it's backwards. So for me, I'm looking at my phone. Boy, I forgot. I can't even show you that because I'm just playing with my devices. You probably looking at that and like, what's that? I might have to just. That's why I just wish people would stop touching my property. I don't know if you was able to see what I just saw, but like I said, that situation was crazy earlier. Like, the mother literally just flew off and left the baby. Once again, it was just nature, but that was the first time in months that I was actually sad. Just to watch something like that occur. That's wild.